With over 25 years of experience, Samco Sport are the world leaders in automotive performance silicone hoses. Their headquarters and main manufacturing plant is situated in Pontyclun, South Wales, which lies in the west of the United Kingdom. As the #1 worldwide silicone hose supplier, Racebikebitz visited the Samco Sport facility to discover exactly what goes into making one of Samco's illustrious silicone hoses. Samco Sport's factory is custom made for testing, with almost all of the equipment purpose-built to cater for Samco's exacting standards. This ensures all of the great silicone hoses that are used across the world by world superbike champions, through to those just wanting to upgrade their precious motorcycle with the finest aftermarket coolant hoses, are second to none. Only the highest quality European silicone is used in the manufacturing of every Samco Sport hose, which ensures dependability and longevity of the product, which is backed up by Samco's lifetime warranty. Unlike other silicone hose manufacturers, each and every Samco Sport hose is created from scratch by hand. This means that every Samco hose that you come into contact with has been monitored from start to finish. The process starts with the raw silicone, which is fed through the calender machine and combined with a fine polyester mesh, creating the inner lining of the coolant hose. The silicone is cut to size and then hand wrapped around the tool specifically designed for which application you might need. The Samco Sport sticker is then added to the hose and then hand wrapped in cellulose tape, which gives the hose its unique texture. The cellulose tape is also a crucial part of the curing process, in which the hose is put into the oven at 180 degrees C. Upon completion of its second bake, the hose is then visually inspected by a master hose builder. This process is to guarantee that Samco's exacting standards are upheld. When reviewing the hose, the inspector will look out for any imperfections, such as marks, tears, improper placement of the Samco Sport logo, and general build quality. If the hose passes this rigorous check, it is trimmed to length and passed along to the packing department. One final check is made to ensure that each Samco Sport silicone hose kit contains the correct quantity of hoses, as well as being packaged in the correct manner to complete the Samco Sport silicone hose journey from raw silicone to finest hoses on the market.